Hello everyone, in this video we will draw and label the scheme of the testes. Each testis is surrounded by thick envelope called tunica albuginea from dense collagenous connective tissue, which contains also individual smooth muscle cells. We recognize also mediastinum testis, which is a thick fibrous plate running from the dorsal part of the tunica albuginea in the ventral direction. In the mediastinums, there are rete testes. This is network of an histomosing excretory duct forming from the tubuli recti of testis. So I'm drawing rete testes in the mediastinum of testes. Rete testes are lined with simple cuboidal epithelium. Connective tissue septa running from the tunica albuginea and also from mediastinum testis. So this is collagenous septa. This septa divides the parenchyma to lobules. Septa are not confluent. Individual lobules communicate through openings. Each lobule contains 1 to 4 seminiferous tubule. Called tubuli seminiferi contortii. Convoluted seminiferous tubules are lined with specialized spermatogenic epithelium with supporting cells of Sertoli. So this is seminiferous tubules. In the lobuli of testes. In the epithelium, we can recognize the individual stages of spermatogenesis, from spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, and spermatids. These cells are closely described by Professor Tonar in the video called Spermatogenesis in this channel. And interstitium between testicular lobules is composed of loose connective tissue with blood vessels and nerves. There are also interstitial endocrine cells of Leydig, which produce the male sex hormone testosterone and other androgens. Cells of Leydig are highly eosinophilic. And the seminiferous tubules lead to short, straight tubules, tubuli recti testes, here. The initial part is lined with a layer of Sertoli cells without spermatogenic cells, but the majority of the tubuli recti testes is lined with simple cuboidal epithelium, which continues into rete testis. So, if we make the cross sections through the testes, for example, here, if we can see seminiferous tubules in the cross section, basal membrane with supporting Sertoli cells, which make a suitable environment for developing of spermatogonia. So Sertoli cells have ovoid nucleus with prominent nucleolus, And there are also nucleus of spermatogonia and very big nucleus of spermatocytes, primary spermatocytes and secondary spermatocytes and spermatids. This seminiferous tubules is surrounded by loose connective tissue with blood vessels, which is lined with endothelial cells with flattened nuclei, and inside you can recognize erythrocytes. And in the interstitial connective tissue we can find cells of Leydig, big cells, eosinophilic cells, which produce testosterone, and rete testis, anastomosing network of excretory duct, which is lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. And around the rete testis is dense collagenous connective tissue. So now we label the scheme. This is tunica albuginea. From dense collagenous connective tissue septa divided the testis into lobes. Convoluted seminiferous tubules, rete testis, with simple cuboidal epithelium, Leydig cells, which produce steroid hormone testosterone. In the interstitial connective tissue, blood vessels. And this is the seminiferous epithelium. With spermatogenic cells. And supportive Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells, which create suitable environment for developing of spermatids. So, thank you very much for your attention.